Inside each pod lies the rich tamarind pulp. Welcome inside one of the largest modern tamarind factories in the United States. Every journey begins with careful inspection of raw tamarind pods.
Only the best quality pods are approved for processing.
Advanced sorting ensures consistency from the very start. Thorough cleaning removes every surface impurity. Food-grade sanitation protects flavor and safety.
Drying prepares the pods for mechanical processing.
Controlled pressure opens the pods without harming the pulp. Nothing is wasted in modern food processing. Seeds are removed using vibration and gravity. Only pure pulp moves to the next stage. This step defines the final texture. Crushing transforms pulp into a uniform base.
Texture control is critical for quality paste.
This step extracts taste and aroma.
Heat unlocks tamarind's natural flavor.
This step extracts taste and aroma.
Flavor is carefully preserved.
Filtration removes unwanted particles.
Only refined extract continues forward.
Purity defines final quality. Low pressure concentration protects flavor.
This creates the signature thick paste. Texture reaches its final form. Every batch is tested for safety. Precision testing ensures consistency.
Only approved paste reaches packaging.
Automation ensures speed and safety. Sealing preserves freshness. From raw tamarind pods to concentrated paste, this is modern food processing at its finest. From factory to the world.